So, a few hours ago, this looked like this. What do you think, Zeus? Left? Right? Which way should I go? Anything down there? Not really. Kind of a nice day. It's not raining. It's a little cloudy. But we have a problem. The tree broke. I did a little thing yesterday. I'll play that. Kind of a nice morning. A little bit of cloud and stuff. Bit of fog back there. But last night this happened. Look at this thing. Yep. That tree broke off and landed in Peggy's paddock. Peggy, amazingly, is totally fine. So that's surprising. But the shelter's wrecked, so I got to do a rebuild to the shelter. And we got a lot of firewood now. That happened last night, late last night. Immediately came out, chucked Piggy in my super bright shelter. Yeah, checked her out. She didn't have a scratch on her. Nothing. So that's a big deal, but not that much work. Just got to replace the roof. And you know, plywood, some 2x6s. Not a big fix, but a pain. Roni got a bit of the branches as well, but he's fine. It's like, what happened here? Holy cow. Anyhow, so we've got busy times here. I'm gonna get on with some of this stuff, and thought I'd tell you guys what happened. Piggy's fine, all good. All right. So now I'm about to commence the biggest game of pickup sticks I've done in a long time. It's incredible. It's really incredible. I've had a couple of days, well, a day and a half or so to think on this. What I'm gonna do. But I don't see a lot of damage. The posts are good. 1, 2, 3, 4 posts. The backstop is still good. The cross beam on the back and on the sides there are good. The front one's a little wrecked. The roof is probably still usable outside of the plywood, the broken plywood. Zeus, look at all the sticks you can play with now. Anyhow, this thing when it came down, it just shattered. There, all of these little sticks I've cleaned up with the rake here, but they were all the way somewhere around here. Just shattered. And Peggy, totally fine. Literally. Not a scratch on her. Her and Luke were a little shaken up. Roni a little bit. That's about it. Amazing. Fence is down. Got to fix the fence. I'm trying to decide what I want to do about this paddock, whether I want to reshape it. Look at these guys. They've escaped. They're escaping. Quick. Just kidding. They're not going anywhere. Trying to think about if I want to reshape this paddock. Do something. Because that back lane doesn't get used for anything. And it's kind of a waste. Horses love to chew on sticks and twigs and pieces of moss and all kinds of stuff. They play with it, you know. Little piggy. What are you doing? Can I come over? So yeah. All right, well, I'm gonna get on with this. It's a little overwhelming, admittedly, but with a bit of perspective, I kind of think, I don't know. It's kind of like Haley said. It's her birthday on Sunday, so she came out because it happened Saturday night. She comes out, she goes, "Wow, look at all the firewood we got now." You got to look at the bright side, you know. A little lemonade out of lemons. How far are you guys going? Don't travel too far. So, all right, Zeus, it's a game of pickup sticks, buddy. You ready? Let's get on with it. Horses are good though. Everybody's fine. Place is great otherwise. Just a very small windstorm. Just enough. Ah, and then somebody might be saying, well, what are you going to do about the rest? I already called the tree guys. They're coming on next Friday, I think. Take care of the rest of this dead tree. So, it wasn't completely unforeseen. I did ask them to take care of it early this year, but there's just a timing. They didn't have so even though they did all those, we didn't have enough time for that, and then it just got delayed, and well, here we are. A game of pickup sticks and a lot of firewood, which would have happened anyways. Anyhow, okay, that's enough of that. Moving on with the day.
Everything changes every which way. You got to hold on to what you need. And if I hide myself away, how could I go with the world around me? We can trust each other, always make things right. What is more important than loving someone? La 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 la. Everything changes every which way. You got to hold on to what you stay.
But it's all cleaned up, other than the last little bit that I have to do, take down the roof. Horses are out playing, enjoying some quality socializing time. Been out for about an hour. I've been cleaning up for a couple hours now, maybe 2.5. Had some lunch, had a coffee. Thanks to David. Thanks for coming out, buddy. The boys have been doing this for a little while, just goofing off. Girls are just being quiet. Sometimes we get some dinosaur noises. Anyhow, so last little bit of this cleanup to do, and then a rebuild. I'm going to do a different video for the rebuild. I don't think I'll add it in this one. This one's sort of the cleanup and recovery stage. So we can see here now, finally, the work area being clean-ish. I can finally get on with removing the debris. I think I can recover, well, not that piece, but that piece looks fine, that piece looks fine. That piece is kind of questionable because of the big bend, but it's pretty easy to bend back. I think I could do that. The plywood underneath is good, mostly. That piece is probably toast. This piece over here is toast. That one there. So yeah, but that beam's up, just the front one, and the 2x6s are mostly good. So now I got to get that thing out. That's what really caused the main collapse, and clean up a little bit more. I'm gonna leave that there. Next time you guys see this, this should be all done. Not sure how I'm gonna get this big piece out though. It's heavy. This is maple, so it's very heavy. We shall see. But overall, not too bad. This thing will be gone in a week or so. Mitigate that problem. Okay, thanks for watching. Now I get to go dump this. Another gatorful. This is 4 gatorfuls. 5? Maybe 5. That thing is full up. And check this out. I'll show you guys. Because it's literally going to be fireside chats for a month straight. Can't believe how much is here, but look at all this firewood here. Brought it all to the top so we could just burn it. Neighbor's doing some power washing. A little noisy. But look at that. It's nuts. So, that's it for now. I'd love to have time to watch these guys play. I might do a little. But, I really gotta get it cleaned up. Gracie's in heat a little bit. Oh, she's gotta move. A little horsey playtime maybe? Cheer us all up. Look at Roni. That was effective. Nice move, buddy. I do sit and or stand and watch these guys a little while working because it feels good to watch them. Just do their horsey things. Well, for the most part they're pretty quiet, so it's not actually, you know, too much to watch. As always, the little communication is a lot. Roni's gonna bite Luke. He's gonna send him on, I think. Bite him in the hock. Maybe not. Whoa. Luke and Gracie were chitty-chatting. Roni says, okay, you ready? Let's do this. Piggy just whacked Gracie across Luke. That's hilarious. She's accurate. Tails are accurate. We have to know that. Piggy and Lena are talking. You guys probably can't really see it from this angle. Get him, Roni. Bite him. Yeah. Everybody's moving. Oh. Socializing is coming along nicely. Look at Roni. He's gonna go say hi to Ruli. Huh. Okay, well, I gotta get on with things. So, as much as I'd love to... Oh geez, look at Luke. Now he's pushing his girls around. See, there I go to try to leave and something interesting happens. Ho 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 ho. See, there's that little bit of communication where Piggy says no and Luke follows up with, no, 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 I really mean it. You got to get moving. And Piggy moves. She doesn't have to be overly happy about it, but she moves. Okay, now I can go free. Now I'm free. Am I free? I'm free. I gotta work. I gotta get this done. Look at that thing. It looks terrible. But it's almost done. I was really overwhelmed this morning, but I feel way better now. So, okay, I'm working. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Well, that takes care of that. Now for the rebuild.